Hello all. Now we will learn how to install the application and start with it. After registering from dukaan.getpy.biz website, you will receive a mail which contains link to download consumer application, delivery application as well as credential to login admin panel, that is merchant.getpy.biz website. Click on the first link which contains .apk as an endpoint. Download the package by clicking on download button. Once download is complete, a page will appear asking for installation. Select on install and then click on open. Now your app is ready to use. You can share this link which contains .apk format to your customer over mail, WhatsApp or through any source of social media. To use the admin panel, click on the second link in your mail and log in with your given user credential. Once you log in, you can configure the products, other settings as well as manage your orders. Next, to use the delivery application, click on the third link which directs you to the Play Store. Download the GetPy delivery application. Log in with a registered number where you can see the orders assigned to you. Thank you.